So guys, I just got home and I have some caramel apples. So we're going to use the chocolate that was in the dip kit that we used with the strawberries to dip them and have caramel apples at home because apple kit coming soon. Okay. So I didn't have Fruity Pebbles, but I wanted some type of cereal around. So I got Fruit Loops, and I just put it in like a Ziploc. It doesn't look great right now, but I put it in a Ziploc, and then I smashed it with a smasher, whatever you can. And then right now I'm gonna put it in a bowl so it's easier for me to dip it.
Oh my god,
Just looks like that. Okay, so this is parchment paper underneath. You just pull it up. I got my apple right here. These are already prepped and washed and scrubbed, and we already put the apple stick in while I was at work. But I'm going to dip it into cookie butter. So I'm gonna take my apple and I'm gonna kind of turn it like this. And I'm gonna take my chocolate because I'm running low. And I'm just gonna turn it in here.
Bro, I'm gonna die. Alright, let's go. Oh no, you're gonna die. Oh no.
So I dipped it. I left the ring at the top. Then you're gonna shake it. Then you're gonna spray it on the side. And then shake it again. Because you still have lots of chocolate. You see all that? And then you're gonna swipe it again. After you're done swiping, then you're gonna set it back down on the parchment paper. Whoa, you already did yours? So she has a topping, so she just has to tap. Oh, right. No, not that. Into your topping. Swipe it, hurry, it's gonna dry. And then, hurry. And then, tap it into there. No, wrong way. Oh my, and then after the cookie butter sets, cookie butter gets drizzled in milk chocolate. So I have my milk chocolate drizzle bag from the dip kit, and I'm gonna do rainbows. And that's how we do that at the store. And we're back. My cookie butter is out of the fridge and it's all dry. Now I'm gonna drizzle it with my drizzle bag. So I'm gonna take my chocolate. I'm gonna hold it, squeeze a little bit out. I'm gonna take it out here, and then you're gonna hold it like this, so you can make rainbows. So these rainbows. There's the cookie butter apple. And we're all done. And these are our beautiful apples. We have a Fruit Loop caramel apple and our famous cookie butter apple. Thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.